Namaste, Ramesha Kushirovidya, myself, Dr. Anika Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JBW. Today's topic is Medicine, Part 2. Stomach symptom, nausea and vomiting after beer, load immediately after eating, feels as if digestion had stopped, dilatation of stomach, gastritis, round ulcer of stomach, stitches in dislikes water, cannot digest meat, desire for beer and acids, gastric symptoms are relieved after eating and the rheumatic symptoms appear, vomiting of bright yellow matter, region of liver and spleen and through to spine, abdomen symptom, cutting pain in abdomen soon after eating, chronic intestinal ulceration, soreness in right hypochondrium, fatty infiltration of liver and increase in soft fibrous tissue, painful retraction, soreness and burning, stool jelly-like, gelatinous, worse mornings, dysentery, tenesmus, stool brown, frothy, sensation of a plug in anus, periodic constipation with pain across the loins and brown urine, urinary burning in urethra after urinating. A drop seems to remain which cannot be expelled. Ropey mucus in urine, urethra become clogged up, congestion of kidneys, nephritis with scanty albuminous urine and cast, pyelitis, urine mixed with epithelial cells, mucus pus or blood, hematochluria, male symptom, itching and pain of penis with pustules, ulcer with paroxysmal stitches, aggravated at night, constriction at root of penis at night on awakening, syphilitic ulcer with cheesy, tenacious exudation, erections, other medicine picric acid, female yellow tenacious leucorrhea, pruritus of vulva with great burning and excitement, prolapse uteri worse in hot weather, respiratory hoarse worse evening, metallic aching cough, profuse yellow expectoration, very glutinous and sticky, coming out in long, stringy and very tenacious mass, tickling in larynx, catarrhal laryngitis, cough, has a brassy sound, through membranous crowd extending to larynx and nares, cough with pain in sternum, extending to shoulder, worse when undressing, pain and bifurcation of trachea on coughing, from mid-sternum to back, heart dilatation, especially from coexisting kidney region, cold feeling around heart, chylinitricum, back symptom, cutting through loins, cannot walk, extend to groins, pain in coccyx and sacrum, extending up and down, extremities, pains fly rapidly from one place to another, other medicine Calisulf, pulsatilla, wandering pains along the bones, worse cold, left side sciatica, better motion, bones feel sore and bruised, very weak, tearing pain in tibia, syphilitic rheumatism, other medicine Miserium, pain, swelling and stiffness and crackling of all joints, soreness of heels when walking, tendo, achillic, swollen and painful, pain in small spots, other medicine oxalic acid, skin symptom, acne, papular eruptions, ulcer with punch out edges with tendency to penetrate and tenacious exudation, pustular eruptions resembling smallpox with burning pains, itching and vesicular eruption, modality is better from heat, words, bearing, holding, hot weather, undressing. This session powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.